Hello everyone, we're in the MSC Yacht Club on the MSC Poesia ship. We're going to take a look at a two-room suite, balcony suite. Let's go take a look here. This is where your key card goes for all your electrical in your room and in your cabin. All right, so we'll get started with this tour of this room here. Hey, lots of good space for cabinets, guys. So right over here is the first one. See, it lights up. They don't have any hangers in here, but you can request this from your butler. They'll get you some of those. You got more storage space right underneath here to put your shoes in. All right, next right here, you got more storage space right up top. Right underneath there, you got your safe here. More storage for you as well. And if you go over here, you got another shelf here. Put some storage here, put storage here. You know, this right here is obviously for ice when you want some ice. Right underneath your other storage shelf, this is where your condiments are, your plates and things like that for your mini bar. Comes fully stocked, and your butler will restock these for you. They may even stock the Pringles and the nuts for you if you just request that as well. Right underneath here, you also got your wine glasses, wine glass openers. Obviously, got your thing there for your ice, to put your ice in your glasses. These are all self-closing as well. And this is where they'll put your plates at. Right underneath there, you can request that, to them to restock that as well for you. All right, when you go up top right here, you got your nice little vanity area here. You got your coffee maker, espresso machine. They'll, refill all these for you as well. All these are all included in the yacht club here for you. So if we go here, that's where your blow dryer is. More places to store items at for the missus. This is where your yacht club laundry bag is. So when you want to do your laundry, just stick it in there. They'll take care of that for you. Right underneath here is your mini bar. Comes fully stocked. Guys, I like this. Take a look at that. Fully stocked mini bar. Can't go wrong there. All right. I forgot to mention too, you got a couple of US plugs there, and you got a European plug right here on this side right here. Okay. All right. So you got a nice little living room area. So this is part of the 2-room suite. Is why they call it 2 rooms. You got 2 separate rooms. So this is the first room. This couch here folds out into a bed, so your other guests will be able to sleep right there and be nice and comfortable. It's pretty comfortable when I checked it earlier. You got your flat screen TV with all the shelves right here. To store different things. Like, you shouldn't have to worry about space in this cabinet. You're going to hear me repeat that quite often. Obviously, a little table there to store your materials at. And this is where the separation is, why they call it a 2-room suite here, because you can actually close this off. Privacy. So now the person on this side doesn't have to see or hear much of what's going on. Just nice privacy right here. You can open it right back up, and this will go into the primary suite, which we'll take a look at in a minute, but I'm going to show you the bathroom because that's right here. Okay, so this is your switch right here for the lights to the bathroom. And we'll come around here. You can see you got your toilet, obviously, and nice shower, guys. I mean, very nice and spacious. I'm 6'1", and I fit pretty well in here. So this view that you're seeing right here is pretty much eye level for me to hang your clothes at, swim materials. But yeah, nice and spacious right here. Okay, we come around here, you can see how everything looks here. Nice vanity here, nice spacious. You got your makeup right here for the ladies. So if you want to use your makeup, you got a little button here, press for the light. That'll come right on for you. Right up top here, you also got your plug. So if you're the guy's shaving or you got electric shaver, you want to put it and plug it in while you're in here, you got your plug right up here, guys. So that's pretty cool. But nice bathroom. I will say I've been on the MSC Seascape and Seashore yacht clubs, and I will say this is probably the most spacious one right here as far as a normal balcony suite that they offer. All right, so let's go to the master bedroom here, guys. So, as I mentioned to you, you got your space right here. You can shut that off, right? And now, 2 separate rooms. You got your own space in there. But this room is really nice and space. You got your own flat screen TV on this side right here. Your own flat screen, so that's good. They makes the bed up really nice. Remember, you can request certain types of pillows. So if you don't like these pillows, you request a different one. So that's pretty cool right there. All right, on both sides of the bed right here, you got all your different plugs, your USB, USB-C. You got your lights right here. That's the switch for your reading light. And this switch right here is for the night light right here. Okay. All right, and then you got a couple drawers. And both of these drawers on both sides. Right here. Both of these drawers on both sides. As you can see right there. Got you a mirror here, obviously. It's for the lady for when you get dressed. And this is another closet space. Almost like a walk-in closet, guys. Because you can kind of walk in and see your room and mirror here and walk out. But nice spaces, like more storage space you got. Up here, another shelf, another vanity. More shelves to put all your underwear, your socks, all the things you'll need for an Alaskan cruise or any cruise in general. Area to put your your shoes in right here. Maybe you can store a suitcase and some other materials down in this little area right here. Life vests are right up here for you. And this is where the hangers are at. Like I mentioned earlier, you can request more hangers. You got a lot of stuff, they'll bring you more. And another shelf right here to put some materials in. Also, you got a nice bigger mirror on this side, which is pretty cool. So, ladies, you shouldn't have any issues with looking at yourself and getting ready. All right, let's take a look at the balcony. Now, this is what I was really excited about the balcony because you got plenty of space. So, if you're in Alaska, you're doing Alaska cruise, which is what we're getting ready to do right now. Great for taking a look at the glaciers and viewing and things like that. So you got this whole balcony area all right here. Say hello to the missus there. Yep, she's relaxing. With all this nice space area that you'll have to do your viewing on this ship. So hey, put your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think of the MSC Poesia 2-room yacht club suite. Take care, guys. Hope you enjoyed it.